Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay September 19, 2025 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong September 19, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, September 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 19, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, September 19, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of September 19, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.